Gabriel Souza, the Brazilian jiu-jitsu specialist, is gearing up for a highly anticipated rematch against Mike Musumeci at ONE Championship 167. After their first encounter left fans eager for more, Souza is eager to showcase his peak form and demonstrate his growth as a fighter. In an exclusive interview, Souza expressed his confidence, stating, "I'm a little differently now." He emphasized that he's in the best shape of his career, fully prepared to face Musumeci once again. Souza's determination to emerge victorious is palpable, and he's leaving no stone unturned in his preparation. Fans have been eagerly speculating about the outcome of this rematch. A recent poll showed a close split in opinions, with both fighters having their fair share of supporters. Despite Musumeci being deemed the overwhelming favorite in some circles, Souza remains undeterred. He acknowledges the challenge but is adamant about his ability to clinch victory. Souza's camp has been meticulous in their preparation, specifically tailoring their strategy to counter Musumeci's strengths. This focused approach has instilled confidence in Souza, who believes it will make a significant difference in the outcome of the fight. He's ready to showcase his evolved skills and strategic prowess inside the cage. Reflecting on the upcoming bout, Souza highlighted the unpredictability of MMA, stating, "It can end in several ways." This acknowledgement of the dynamic nature of the sport underscores Souza's readiness for whatever challenges may arise during the fight. He's mentally and physically prepared to adapt and seize opportunities as they present themselves. Looking ahead, Souza anticipates a very different rematch against Musumeci. Having learned valuable lessons from their previous encounter, he's confident in his ability to implement a winning game plan. Souza's dedication to improvement and his unwavering belief in his abilities set the stage for an electrifying showdown at ONE 167. As the highly anticipated rematch draws near, fans are eagerly awaiting the clash between Souza and Musumeci. With both fighters at the top of their game, expectations are high for a thrilling spectacle inside the ONE Championship cage. Souza's confidence, preparation, and determination make him a formidable opponent, poised to leave his mark on the MMA world.